Hey all, Ankit Kiso this side from Australia Fleet and welcome back to my channel. So this is Bank Nifty chart and these are new levels marked using volume profile and price action. So let me give you directly Bank Nifty analysis for tomorrow because I didn't take the screenshot of yesterday. Although yesterday was by saying yesterday I mean to say Friday. So although yesterday was means Friday was a very volatile day means it market has shown a downside move of around 900 points, and from there it has gone up till the end of around 800 points. So it was quite a volatile day, and for any hedger like us, okay, it was quite difficult to manage the position, although we managed to get to the break even at the end, although we were in around 1.5% of loss in the initial hour, and after then I took another entry in the second session, and that actually performed really good for me because of the decay which happened in the second half. Okay, so there is nothing more to tell you about Friday's follow-up, so let's directly get into the Bank Nifty analysis for tomorrow. So yeah, these are the new levels. Okay, and I'm just spelling out the levels myself. You just have to note it down because I haven't written the levels here. Okay, these are new levels. Wait, so see, if market opens sideways, or for that matter, okay, sorry, if market opens sideways, or for that matter gap down, okay, then the analysis for both of them will be same. Okay, so if market opens sideways, that is in this case, and if market opens gap down, that is in this particular zone only. Okay, so how you have to trade? You have to wait for either this or this to gets broken. Okay, wait, let me spell out the levels for you. So see, this level is from 34 690 to 34 765. Okay, I repeat, 34 690 to 34 765, and in the downside it is from 34 480 to 34 3 400. Okay, so these are the levels. So if market open in this particular zone, then you have to take and you have to do just one thing. You have to be wait and watch mode, and you have to take entry only when either this or this gets broken. And in both of these cases, you have to put, in this case you have to put a SL of 120 point at max, and in this case you have to keep a SL of 80 100 points, because this is a target of around from 34770 to 34930. Okay, which is around 160 points. So here also you have to take a SL of around, keep a SL of around 100 points. And in the downside, this is a very big target zone. It is from 34 400 to 34 050 40. Okay, so it is around 360 points of move. So I will suggest you that if market after opening sideways or gap down, or if it continues going downside, then here you have to take entry with 100 120 points of SL, and you have to keep on trailing your SL. Okay, means if as and when you get your 1:1 gets done, then you have to trail your SL to cost, so that you don't incur any loss if market reverse anywhere from anywhere. Okay, तो इस तरीके से आपको ट्रेड करना है. तो यहाँ पे आपको 120 पॉइंट्स का एसएल के साथ आपको काम करना है, और ट्रेलिंग एसएल के साथ काम करना है, बिकॉज दिस इज अ वेरी बिग जोन. ओके, अगेन आई एम अगेन रिपीटिंग द रेंज. So this is from 34 400, okay, to 34 050. It is around 350 points of move. So if you are looking for this much of target, then you the only way to do this is by trailing SL. Okay, and if you are a hedger, so how you have to trade? Say if market opens in this zone, okay, so you have to sell this put and this call, and you have to keep on holding this. Okay, means you have to create a S triangle and wait. So you have to sell 34 400 put and 34 800 call, and you have to keep on holding them as far as this remain in this particular zone. But as and when this gets broken, you have to square them off with whatever profit or loss you will be having. But I guess if market after opening sideways or gap down, और इस जोन पे अगर वो आधे घंटे एक घंटे भी रहता है, then you will get good decay of around 30 40 points. Okay, not 30 40 point I would say, but 20 30 point the is the least which I am expecting, अगर मार्केट वहाँ पे आधे घंटे रहता है तो. ओके, एंड उसके बाद फिर अगर आप डायरेक्शनल ट्रेडिंग करते हो, तो आपको मैंने बता दिया कि आपको एंट्री कब करना है और क्या टारगेट रखना है. ओके, तो लेकिन अब आते हैं लास्ट केस पे, दैट इज व्हाट इफ मार्केट ओपन्स गैप अप. ओके, वेट. सो अगर मार्केट गैप अप होता है, मीन्स यहाँ पे, तो दिस विल बी अ नो ट्रेडिंग जोन फॉर यू. ओके, लेट मी स्पेल आउट द जोन. सो दिस इज फ्रॉम 34 700, okay, 34 690 to 34 990. Okay, means in round 35,000. Okay, so 692 35,000, it is around 310 points. Okay, so in this zone, how you have to trade, you again have to create a strangle by selling 34 n- uh, 700 put and 35,000 call. Okay, and you have to keep on holding till the point it does not break any of this zone. Okay, this is how you have to trade if you are a non-directional trader. Okay, and because I'm not going to post any adjustment of this, so this is how you can do hedging in the initial phase. Okay, this is how you can go with. But if you are directional trader, you have to take entry as and when 35,000 gets broken, and you have to look for a target of, wait, you have to look for a target of this much, which is around 35 to 30. It is around 230 points of move, so you have to keep SL of 100 points, and here also you have to keep on trailing SL to, if you're looking for this much of target, or you can book anywhere from 150 to 180 points. This is how you have to trade. So I have given the labels and logics behind them, okay, for both directional and non-directional trader. Okay, so if you are a directional as well as non-directional trader, you can follow these labels. Okay, and please do write down the labels which I have just spelled out. Okay, so that's all from my end, and if you want to join my Telegram channel where I used to share some hedging position, or sometimes some equity trades, sometimes bank nifty naked trades as well. So if you want to learn the analysis behind them, you can join the channel, because there I also used to share many chart with the analysis, means with the simplest price action possible, so that you can learn the price action in the simplest way possible. Okay, so if you are looking for any such learning, as well as if you want to earn money in the process, then please do check out the link of the Telegram channel, which is given in the description box. Okay, thanks a lot for your time. And one more thing, if you're liking my content, then please do like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and also share it with your friends. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.